Hi there. In this video I am going to show you how to save a post or a video on your Facebook app. First go to the post you want to save, then click on these three buttons, then click on Save Post. I will show you later where you can find the saved post. Now if you want to save a video on Facebook, just go and click on the video.
In a row, our fourth, of course, in.
Then click on these three buttons and click on the Save Video, like this. Click for later. Then if you want to save a reel on Facebook, for example this one, just click on this icon until it is white. Now it is saved on your profile. If you want to see your saved post or reel or a video on your Facebook, just go on this. If you are in the home page, just go on this, click on the profile picture, then go and click on Saved. Here you can find the video or a post or a reel that you have saved on your Facebook. Thank you for watching this video.